Okay, I'm gonna take a video of this because you can't really take pictures of it.
See better on this reflection. We didn't tail on him.
Yeah, so watch I get a picture.
Now I'm gonna back up and let you see what actually this looks like instead of me standing in the middle of it. If you can hear me over the ridiculous fucking kids. It's like a tunnel with a plexiglass in it, on it. So, there we go, and there's the whole family. Pretty sweet, huh?